A day in the life of a pig farmer. Here we have my piglet feeder. I left the back gate open on it so I could clean it out, and one of the mamas found that out. She got in there and she cleaned it all out for me, thankfully. She took a whole layer of dirt off, just eating all the piglet scraps. Piglets had to eat inside their house today, so their mommies couldn't get it. Right after this video, I opened the gate, and little Ingrid in the back, my white piglet, called her mother over, and her mom busted in and ate up all their scraps. But luckily, I went and got them some more. And here's their moms prowling like alligators, trying to get back in there. She's the one that did it. Little Miss Genevieve over here. Go away. Get out of here. Here she is, not sharing her milk with anyone. Little tank right here. She's so funny. Where are your legs, Genevieve? Where did they go? Now, to do some actual work, ignore my Walmart Crocs. Gotta scoop all of this poop out of here. There's been a lot more since the piglets got here. Got it all cleaned up, and Eleanor came and left me this gift. Thank you. And this is no man's land. I had to make a second fence line because of this guy. Whenever the moms came back into heat after having the piglets, one fence line was not stopping him. But I'm thinking about making this into a little chaos garden, throwing some seeds out and seeing what will grow. Just doing some like watermelon, tomatoes, cucumbers, just stuff the pigs can have. I don't even know if it'll grow. I've been raking poop into here for probably 6 months now. I was just minding my business, watching the piglets. This bumblebee tried going up my sleeve. So I watched him, and I seen that his butt was gone. He must have stung something, and now, unfortunate. But he was really bugging me after this, honestly. For like 5 minutes, he was flying into my face and my hair. Little vanilla girl. I can't wait to see her grow. Oh, she's so beautiful. I went inside for a couple hours and came back out, and they think that they are starving to death.
Oh my
Little Theo guy here. There's little Dimitri, my new black and white belted pig. We just got him from KC Farms on YouTube and Facebook if you guys follow them. Theo is the top piglet here. Here comes Miss Vanilla in the corner. Don't miss her. She's so funny. Little Theo, he's the top piglet, and he knows it. They're just tussling right here. It's not real fighting. Miss Ingrid here, when Dimitri first got here, she fought with him. But now all of the piglets are best friends. They don't fight at all. They do this tussling, boy fighting stuff, but that's it. Little Vanilla needing some butt scratches while the boys are fighting. She is a cuddle bug if I've ever seen one. Well, Theo was born without wattles, but I knew within the first week that I was keeping him because of how great his growing was and how thick he was. His little neck is like a meatloaf. And look how strong they are using their little noses as shovels. And little Dimitri guy, he will be hopefully having piglets this coming year. I'm gonna breed him to Genevieve, the big mama tank that was not given any milk earlier. And hopefully it'll work out because she's kind of picky from what I've learned with her. Little Miss Ingrid here getting all the lovin's. She's so sweet. She's from my unregistered mama, Eleanor. But I had to keep her because her growth is great too. She's just as big as Theo is. Here we have the little piglet crew doing what little piglets do. Little Vanilla, you can see how much whiter she is than Ingrid, her sister there, half sister. Theo is her full-blooded brother. There is his little diamond head print. I think it's so cute. This is real-time footage, too, of him digging the ground like this. Looking for bugs and stuff. Here's Ingrid, minding everyone's business but her own again. She's so sweet, though. Her mom just never lets her get pet, huh, baby? Okay, we'll get you some pets. Just don't tell your mom. Don't call her over here. These two little guys. They're so sweet how they hang out together and stuff. I think they're gonna be little friends soon. Oh, Theo, you got something there, sir. Right there on your mouth. Yes, right there. Alright, bye now.